This video I'm going to teach you how to fix Venmo can't update email. So if you cannot update your email address and you want to do so, what you can do is you can try to head over to your Venmo application, then click on the Me tab, click on the settings gear on the top right and select account under preferences. Once you're in there, tap on profile, then enter the email address that you want onto the email field and tap on save. Now you can also do this on the Venmo app website by going to venmo.com, sign in, click on settings, profile, and then email address field, enter your new email and save your settings. However, if you're still having some problem in updating your email, that may be because you have exceeded the number of times to change email, and also you cannot actually get a verification code from your old email, or if it's actually been unsupported or has been deleted through that way. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.